Well, it's time. Alright, I decided to stop acting like a maniac and organize everything. But anyway, hello everyone, this is SuperMarioPlushLand. Now you may be wondering, what's this? Well, I'm about to show you. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, here it is. This right here is the MacBook Pro, which I think you already know what it is. In fact, I said it a lot of times that I lost track to see how many I mentioned the MacBook Pro. I'll probably check to see how many times that I mentioned the MacBook Pro while I'm editing. And to all you MacBook users, it already says in the box. But we're not just going to unbox this. We're also going to be unboxing these two also, which I'll show you what it is. This right here is the Hyperdrive USB Type-C hub. For some reason, Apple decided to remove all the ports to make the laptop thinner. So it's very essential to buy one. And this is just a typical micro SD card. Now, it's time to unbox all these three, starting with the MacBook. Alright, just gotta move these two out of the way first. And turn this around. Don't forget some scissors. And now, we unbox. Alright, with that done, it's time to open this up. Alright, time to open this up. Gotta move the MacBook out of the way to show the accessories. First off, we got some paperwork, which I'll just open it to see what we got. It says here, MacBook Pro. Now let's see what we got here. Okay, let's just throw that in. Then we got some, whatever this is, and some Apple stickers. I don't know what to do with it, so whatever. Next we got this USB Type-C charging thing for that. And finally we got the USB Type-C power adapter. Alright, with that out of the way, we're gonna open up the MacBook. Just gotta pull this photo out. Here it is. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. In 3, 2, 1. Has a foil there also. And here we have the Apple logo. Alright, we got the setup screen, so I'll just set this up for a moment. Alright, after that, I finally set it up. Alright, let's just shut this down so we can get to the other accessories. Alright, time to open these two accessories. Let's start with the Hyperdrive. Alright, remove the sticker from the back, so I should be able to open this. Alright, first off, we have the pouch. So in case you want to bring the USB Type-C hub anywhere, well, this might be essential. And finally, the USB Type-C hub itself. Here it is. Here's the logo if you really care about that. Alright, now for the micro SD card. It's just for my camera, nothing special. Here we have YouTube Music. Listen without ads for 3 free months. Who would ever use that? And here's the micro SD card itself, along with the SD card adapter. I don't feel like opening it since, well, you can already check it out in this video. Anyway, with that, I want to thank you all for watching. I got a mess to clean up, and I'll see you guys later. Bye! This is officially my new laptop. So, now that I got the MacBook Pro, it's time to go to Safari to get Final Cut Pro X free trial. Yeah!